Hello, my name is Ethan. I am the sole developer of Penguin Village. Penguin Village is a cozy penguin simulator developed for all Android devices. I am a proud indie developer getting a studio started, Piledrivegames, and I wanted to bring you a raw gameplay reveal trailer of Penguin Village today. So we will be launching into the application as a brand new user and going through the tutorial mode together as I discuss some of the core game mechanics. So let's go ahead and launch Penguin Village, and we are introduced to our tutorial protagonist here called Jerome. So he says, hey, nice to meet you, Jerome. He's going to teach us the basic controls for just a few minutes. So to activate the penguin, all you got to do is click on the penguin, and he's highlighted this nice yellow hue, and we can click anywhere else on the iceberg to make the penguin waddle over. Jerome then teaches how to move the camera, so we can move the camera to the left and to the right by dragging on the iceberg area. So he mentions here that now we can also catch fish. So he wants us to hop in the water and see if we can catch a fish. So in the same way we control the penguin using the movement here. Now instead of clicking on the iceberg, we'll go ahead and click down here in the water area, and we'll go ahead and see if we can catch a fish. So penguin dives right in, and we can see the fish spazzing out a little bit. They are programmed to actually run away from us, and so when we get close, you see that the penguin actually runs away. You might see that purple fish there. We'll get to that a little bit later. So Jerome mentions that making the penguin move around is going to use the penguin's energy. So you're going to have to fill up the penguin's energy bar by navigating him over to the food bowl and fill up his energy back up. So Jerome mentions here that we can use our penguins to collect purple gems. So purple gems are the economy token in Penguin Village. So at no point will we be prompted to purchase purple gems from the store using real world money. And so purple gems are collected from penguins navigating onto the iceberg area to collect more purple gems. You get extra gems from leveling up, collecting your daily rewards, and also catching purple fish. So now Jerome's prompting us to use some of those gems to purchase a new penguin. So activating the sidebar menu here in the top left, all we got to do is drag and drop a penguin into the iceberg zone, and we've successfully purchased a new penguin. So it looks like one of our penguins is sick. So this penguin here is sick. He's painted green, and every so often he's going to have a little bit of a sneeze, and each time he sneezes, he has a chance to actually pass away. So for the tutorial's sake here, we've automatically made this penguin sick. So he's prompting us to go ahead and drag and drop the medicine icon over, and we can actually heal the penguin's status. In addition to this, your penguin it thanks you here. Thanks a lot, Jerome. No problem. I'm happy to heal the penguin. We can also buy new food bowls for the enclosure. So clicking and dragging and dropping this food bowl over, we can see that we've bought a new food bowl for the enclosure. Now Jerome's teaching us about the daily reward feature, and so he's spawned this present here for us, and we can go ahead and click it to collect our daily reward. We can see here the daily rewards as we have consecutive daily logins. The rewards get greater. So not only are we earning free gems from our login, we also get free items for our inventory. You can see here, we get a couple food bags the first few days, medicine on our third day, and actually we get a free penguin on our fourth day. This escalates all the way up to 300 gems and a free penguin and a free food bag on day 7. So let's go ahead and accept our prize. And checking back over to our inventory, we can see that we've got some extra inventory items now. So Jerome's letting us know once we've placed a food bowl, we can move it wherever we like. So I can go ahead and click and drag this food bowl and go ahead and move it over. So we have completed the tutorial. You may even see different types of fish in the water, and we can catch these for different bonuses. So it looks like we have some purple fish. These fish are going to give us extra gems when we catch them. So let's go ahead and hop in the water and see if we can catch a purple fish. And so I can show you the reward. So we see that we're getting 5 experience for catching these blue fish, but let's go ahead and try to catch a purple fish and see what it gives us. So as you can see, the purple fish are a little bit faster than the blue fish, but looks like we cornered one there. So if you saw it, we actually gathered 10 gems and 10 experience points from capturing that purple fish. Let me go ahead and clear out some of the pond here because I do want to try to spawn in a gold fish for us, so I can show you, for the sake of the game mechanics, that we can capture a goldfish as well for a bonus experience. So one of the advantages here that wasn't mentioned during the tutorial of having these extra food bowls is that when you catch a fish, not only does the penguin itself heal as energy, but each fish you catch will also fill up all of your food bowls. So it increases your ability to actually collect food the more food bowls you have. So it looks like we do have run into a goldfish. So for sake of the gameplay tutorial, you can see there I got 50 experience for catching that goldfish. So that's a nice, quick, convenient way of leveling up. So let's move on to the next tip. The object of the game is to see how many penguins you can collect. If you let a penguin be sick for too long, it may pass away. We discussed that previously. And don't forget to come back every day, feed them, and collect your daily rewards. See you later, Jerome. Okay, so now let's discuss the sick mechanic a little bit more. What happens when you overwork your penguin is that they become sick. So as I'm commanding my penguins around here, they're slowly using up their energy bar. So you can see when I click on them, their energy bar is getting lower each time I give them a new command, and for each time they take a step, there's a small amount of energy that is used up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep collecting gems with this penguin up top, and I'm gonna maybe have this fish swim around, this penguin swim around here in the bottom, catch a whole bunch of fish, and I'll show you what happens when you use up all of your energy. So this penguin is getting mighty low on energy, so let's go ahead and keep track of how he's doing. He's getting dangerously low on energy. Looks like he's just about out of energy. So now each time I give him a command, he has a chance of getting sick. And there we go. So now we have a sick penguin. And you can see now he's given a little bit of a achoo every few seconds. It's generated by some random value, and each time he has a little bit of a sneeze, he actually has a chance to pass away. I think it's only about a 2% chance, but if you do leave it too long and force your penguin to do too much work while he's sick, you will end up with a penguin that has passed away on you. So instead of letting this penguin pass away, I'm going to go ahead and heal him up with a medicine, and it also gives him a little bit of extra energy buffer there, but make sure once you've healed your penguin with a medicine, make sure you go ahead and make sure to feed him right away, or he may just end up getting sick again. So that is really the core mechanics of Penguin Village. There's no intrusive ads ever, and there's no in-game purchases. You can see here the mermaid down here in the water. She will spawn a optional advertisement for you, and the player can get 50 bonus gems for watching that advertisement. But at no point will you ever be prompted to watch an advertisement or prompted to make any in-game store purchases. So I am super proud of Penguin Village. Go ahead and follow the channel to keep track of the development process of Penguin Village. If you are interested in this type of game, the open beta is now available on the Google App Store. So go ahead and join the open beta and submit your feedback and have a chance here to join the community and be part of the community that grows Penguin Village, but also have your say in what features and mechanics that I should implement for the production release, as well as further releases once we do hit production. So if you want to follow the development process, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on this video, hit a like if you made it this far, leave a comment, let me know how you think it's going so far, and if you really want to be involved in Penguin Village, go ahead, hop over to the Google Play Store and download the application and get involved in the open beta test. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.